I changed my setup because I want to look more professional. Hello beautiful people, it's Nour here. Welcome back
to my channel.
Today is Tuesday, which means it's Tuesday tips with Nour. So if you're new here,
Hi, welcome.
please, should I invite you to subscribe? Please do it. Just join us. Please. Okay, so if you're new here, let me tell you that every Tuesday I make a short video, usually 5, 6, 7, 8 minutes long, where I sit down and I share with you a quick tip about self-love, self-care, self-development, literally anything that can make you feel better and become a better person, because you deserve it. Yes. I also make videos every Sunday as well. I know you didn't ask for it and you probably don't care, but I just want to let you know that. So yeah. Anyway, so today's tip, you guys, is how to make a decision. This video was really highly requested by you guys. I know a lot of you were like, oh my god, Nana, please do a video about how to make a decision, please, we need this. And I'm like, you guys, please stop, just stop. I'm gonna be making this video for you. Just calm down. You don't have to write comments about it. Just calm down. I will make this video for you. And here I am. So most of us are not good at making decisions, and that's why I feel like it's really important to learn how to make a decision and to just be good, you know, like just good decision makers, right? And when I'm talking about making a decision, I'm not talking about
Where should I take lunch today? Should I go to McDonald's or Taco Bell?
okay, and I'm not talking about decisions of like about rich people decisions that nobody can relate to, like
What car should I drive today to work? Should I drive my Lamborghini or my Rolls Royce?
no, okay? When I'm talking about making a decision, I'm talking about real mother effing decisions, like adult decisions, you know, like those decisions like, should I buy a new car, or should I save my money to buy a new house? Or should I quit my job and change my career or not? You know, like adult decisions. Adult decisions, okay? How many times I said adult decisions? Anyway, so if you see what I mean, then let's roll, honey. Yes.
Let's roll. Let's roll.
Okay, here I am again on the voiceover. I know you'll love hearing my voice and not seeing my face, which is fine. I got it. Anyway, so of course you know what you gotta do. Grab a paper and a pen and draw two tables. Every table contains 2 columns, like so. Let's just say, for example, you are in a dilemma and you don't know whether you should stay in your full-time job or change your career. Write each choice on top of each table. On the first column of the table, write pros. On the second one, write cons. Now, for each choice, you have to try to brainstorm all the pros and cons related to that choice that you could think of. For example, the first choice, stay in my full-time job. So what are its pros and its cons? You can write, for example, financial freedom, insurance benefits. You can add promotions, why not? And for the cons, I don't know, maybe having a fixed schedule, don't have a lot of time to hang out with friends and family, stress, burnout, or even maybe you're not just happy with your full-time job. Now, moving on to changing your career. For the pros, you can write, for example, more happiness. You will feel more productive and creative because you will follow your dream and your passion. You will grow, expand your knowledge, gain new experiences. And for the cons, for example, you can write financial insecurity, taking higher risk. Therefore, you might experience more worries both in business and personal life. Now that you have everything laying down in front of you, it becomes a little bit easier to make a decision. Just simply go for the one that has a lot of pros and less cons. For this example, the right decision to make is changing your career. You can apply this method to anything in your life, for marriage, for studies, for travel, from small things like should I buy a new phone to big serious things like should I move out to a new country? Okay, there you have it. Thank you. There you have it, beautiful people. One simple method that will help you a lot with your dilemmas, especially if you are bad at making decisions. No offense. So I hope that you liked this video. I hope that it was really helpful for you and also very entertaining as well, because that's, for me, it's really important to make entertaining videos. Okay, fuck. There's a person looking at me while I'm filming a video. Insane! Yay! Okay, so thank you so much, you guys, for watching till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel till I drop a new one. Bye!